Scene 5. Tip number 4. Investing. Let your money work for you. B-roll of someone researching stocks, opening an investment app on their phone, and a graph showing growing investments. Host voiceover. Tip number 4. Start investing early. Now, I know some of you are thinking, but I don't have enough money to invest. And that's okay. The good news is, you don't need a ton of money to get started. Cut to Host with an investing app on their phone. Host. With apps like Insert Popular App, you can start investing with as little as $5. And the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. We're talking compound interest, which is basically making money on your money. How cool is that? Scene 6. Tip number 5. Continuous learning and staying informed. B-roll of someone reading financial books, listening to podcasts, and watching YouTube videos on finance. Host voiceover. Tip number 5. Never stop learning. The world of finance is always changing, and there's always more to know. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch videos like this one. The more you learn, the more confident you'll be in making financial decisions. Cut back to Host at the desk. Host. And hey, if you want more tips like these, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new content that can help you level up your financial game. Scene 7. Recap and call to action. Cut to a recap screen with text highlights of the tips. Budgeting, track income and expenses, emergency fund, save for life surprises, credit and debt, manage wisely, investing, start early, grow smart, continuous learning, stay informed. Cut back to Host, smiling. Host. So, to recap, remember these 5 essential tips: budget, save for emergencies, understand credit and debt, start investing early, and always keep learning. Implementing just a few of these steps will put you on the path to financial freedom. Host enthusiastic. Now, I want to hear from you. What financial tip has helped you the most? Or what do you want to learn more about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Host smiling. And don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay financially fit. End screen. Upbeat music with a subscribe button, animation, and suggestions for other related videos on financial topics. Key points for audience retention. Clear and relatable tips. The tips are straightforward and easy to understand, which keeps the content accessible. Engagement. Encouraging comments and interaction keeps viewers involved, enhancing retention. Visuals. Using B-roll, screen captures, and diagrams to explain concepts visually adds variety and interest. Value. Offering free resources, like templates or links to tools, provides value that encourages viewers to take action and return for more content.